Connect with math. A. Vocabulary. 1. Listen, count, and say. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Count and write. Three, count, match, and complete. B, plural nouns with S. 1, read and notice. Singular, only one sharpener, one pencil, plural, more than one, 3 sharpeners, 4 pencils. Singular, only one sharpener, 1 pencil, plural, more than one, 3 sharpeners, 4 pencils. 2. Look and write. Singular, 1 pencil case, plural, 4 pencil cases. Singular, 1 pen, plural, 2. Singular, 1 ruler, plural, 5. Singular, 1 bag, plural, 3.